Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable the VPN in the Opera web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Opera menu icon up in the top left. Go ahead and left click on that. And then go down and select Settings. Now on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath Advanced and expand that. And then go underneath VPN. If you want to turn the VPN on or off, you can just toggle this to the on or the off position. So you can see there's additional settings you can also modify down here. Where if you want to connect to the VPN automatically when starting the browser, you can select that option as well. You can enable default search engines by bypassing the VPN, enable intranet sites by bypassing VPN, as well as you can manage additional VPN bypass rules by selecting that option there. If you want to add custom rules, you're welcome to in here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.